Las Vegas, you have been incredible. It has been such an amazing experience seeing the USA and the Australian HQ teams coming together after this huge time apart.
Oh, good.
That was absolutely delicious. Well, thank you so much for coming. It means the world to us. Thank you for coming halfway across the world. Big shout out to Rita. Thank you for each and every one of you, for everything that you do. Cheers. Cheers. The energy here is phenomenal. It really is like a family. We've done our symposium at Caesar's Palace with all our educators from the USA and other people from around the world coming and joining us for incredible education that was so inspiring.
There was tons of awesome guest speakers too.
I gained so much knowledge and fun little tips from everyone.
All the wonderful new launches of products, it was a lot of fun.
I had so many comments afterwards, the information that they got. They were just like, I can't wait to implement everything that we learned.
I learned so much that I just cannot wait to bring back to all of my students and all of my clients.
It meant the world to see everybody. I mean, it feels like forever and a day. It's 2.5 years. You guys are family. I call you guys my Ellie family. And so it was beyond my expectation. My heart is full.
That's why I do symposium. You know, it's such a big investment in inspiration, really, at the end of the day.
Oh, God, yes. You know, I think back on my journey, and when I started in aesthetics, I thought I was going to be a makeup artist. And I discovered lash lifting. And sure enough, I found you guys. And my life has never been the same.
Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. This year has to be one of the best yet.
We had a day off at the pool where we had a chance to connect with everyone.
And get ready for a hard work 3 days at the IECSC here in Las Vegas.
It has been such an incredible time here the last 3 days.
Our stand has been so busy.
Our demo stations have been packed.
We've been going to Lash socials and
Party time.
connected with lots of different brands and colleagues. And we've been doing a masterclass with lash and brow lamination under the microscope.
I had a great time at the class.
Our teacher was amazing at answering any questions.
After the masterclass, everyone came rushing down to the booth.
The booth was flooded. It's just been a lot of fun to show everybody what we have, who we are, why we're here, and how we can help them.
And your winner. Wow, this is incredible. Thank you so much to the ASCP. This is incredible for us. We are an Australian brand, but I want to say a big shout out to the USA for supporting us. Thank you so much to the United States for supporting us. It means the world. And thank you very much. We are honored. Thank you.
Chicago has been nothing but heaven sent for a lot of folks.
I feel now we've got that Elleebana ethos that we've always strived for.
Yeah.
In the USA, the support is better than ever for the salons, and having that HQ in Chicago is allowing us to really nurture the support, I think, through the industry. And that's what Elleebana has been very well known for now. I think it's not just good products, it's really about the people behind the brand and how much we support our clients, our customers, but also the industry. Las Vegas 2022, thank you so much for having us. Thanks to the educators, the contributors, and everybody for coming along. We can't wait